All right, this is called the choke cherry. It's a triple combo, spin-off of the choker dip, so we'll show that to y'all real quick. Okay, so we'll go through this step by step with you. We already taught you the choker dip, but we'll show you after you come out of the choker dip. When you come back up, gentlemen, your partner is going to start spinning. You're going to stop her when she gets right here, and you're going to change your grip from this to this. You're going to grasp each other's thumbs, kind of like you're about to arm wrestle. And then it's called the matrix dip. So you're just going to stop her with your hand, then take your hand off. Girls, you're just going to dip straight down.
So girls, you don't want to do anything besides bend your knees basically. So you're just going to bend and drop.
Gentlemen, you're going to catch and pull her back up. And then you're basically going to do the salesman. The only difference is you're going to keep this grip, this arm wrestle grip. And ladies, you will not jump into the salesman, you'll just dip. So you'll come around, twist the arm down, and support her, dip, come back up.